Your Facebook ads are getting zero reach? It's not your fault. Meta just changed everything again. So let's break down 3 biggest changes in 2025, Facebook ads, and how to fix your reach today. So if you're ready to fix your ad reach, let's dive into the updates. First update. Campaign objective changes. In 2025, Meta redesigned the campaign setup. When you click Create in Ads Manager, you'll now see 6 simple objectives: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. Under these, you'll also notice a new option called Advantage Plus Shopping Campaigns. Advantage Plus means the main benefits of Advantage Plus shopping campaigns. It is easier to set up your campaign. Spend less time designing and improving campaigns. Instead, use the time saved to invest in the core of your business. Secondly, to generate ad combinations that are most likely to meet preset goals, AI and machine learning algorithms are used. Thirdly, to continuously evaluate your previous ads and provide suggestions based on what has been successfully in the past. Fourth, your ad is shown to the right person at the right time. Fifth, depending on the advertiser's business goals, budget spending is adjusted to achieve the best outcomes. Sixth, they are designed to aid in the construction of the ideal campaign. If you want Facebook to do everything for you, then choose Advantage Plus. But if you want to test your own targeting strategy, go with a normal sales or engagement campaign. And let the AI optimize only delivery, not audience. Use sales or engagement with manual targeting for better control. Second update. Interest targeting shrinking. Meta removed some detailed targeting categories. Just take a look on these categories. Tips: use custom audiences and lookalikes. Upload your page engagement list. Third and final update is add creative importance. Now Meta's AI prioritizes scroll-stopping visuals and short text. Meta's algorithm now detects visual clarity and engagement potential. So focus on design simplicity, less text, more clarity. So these are the 3 secrets to running successful Facebook ads in 2025. Don't boost posts randomly, use these pro tricks. Next time, I will share a full ad design breakdown. So stay tuned with me. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.